In news from Afghanistan, top Afghan peace official Abdullah Abdullah has said there are serious differences between political leaders in Afghanistan and the system will collapse if they do not forge a consensus on the issues of national importance. The statement came as violence has continued unabated in parts of the country while peace talks with the Taliban have stalled.
Head of Afghanistan's High Council for National Reconciliation Abdullah Abdullah on Thursday said that there are serious differences between Afghan political leaders and the system will collapse if they do not forge a consensus on the issues of national importance. Speaking during an event in Kabul, Abdullah called on political leaders to put aside their differences and work for the peace process. The statement came as the Afghan government has so far failed to form the much-anticipated State Supreme Council over disagreements on the authority of the council. Meanwhile, violence has continued unabated in parts of the country. At least 4 civilians, including 2 women, were killed when a bomb blew up a passenger van in capital Kabul on Thursday, while 2 blasts on buses in an area dominated by Shiite Muslim Hazaras killed at least 12 people and wounded 10 on Tuesday. Fighting between government forces and Taliban insurgents has also been going on since early May, since the US forces began drawdown from Afghanistan. The UN said last month that nearly 1,800 civilians were killed or wounded in the first 3 months of 2021 in the clashes, despite efforts to find peace.